Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Excel Book. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss advanced techniques in data validation. But before that, subscribe to our channel if you haven't and press the bell icon and never miss an update. Our today's example take place in fictional world of American sitcom The Office. Here, we are referring to season 5 episode 8, where Michael Scott, Andy Bernard and Oscar Martinez are sent to Canada for business trip.
I'm going to use my complimentary blindfold. I will don it. I can't see because I am in a...
Upon returning from the trip to Dunder Mifflin, Scranton, Oscar creates this Excel sheet where he inputs all the expenses incurred during the trip, which will be sent to corporate office in New York to CFO David Wallace for reimbursement. Let's see the Excel sheet which is being filled by accountant Oscar Martinez. In cell D2, we have budget allocated by the corporate, which has limit of $2,500. In cell D3 is a sum function which calculates the actual amount spent on the trip, and in cell range F2 to G3, we have a bar chart which compares the budget allocated to the trip versus the amount spent on the trip. Oscar has already inserted basic expenses which are airfare, car rental, food and hotel. He now inserts other expenses, namely gift for Jan's baby, which is for $50, an action figure which has cost $120, as well as wall clock which costs $70. As he inserts a wall clock amount, we see a pop-up message on Excel which read as follows: total cost of the trip exceed sanctioned trip budget. For more information, write an email to corporate@dundermifflin.com. This message exempt Oscar from filling the wall clock data. Now, how did we get this message? This is one of the advanced features of data validation tool. If we go to data bar and open data validation box and select custom from the drop down, we can insert a condition using formula, and if condition is true, then we will not get an error message, and if the condition is false, then we will get error message. Here we are going to write a condition that if sum of cell range D6 to D15 is smaller or equal to D2, then let there be no response. But if sum of cell range D6 to D15 is greater than value of cell D2, then pop up a message on screen. To insert a custom text error, click on Error Alert. Here we have inserted a message as per our requirement. Now every time if cost of the trip will exceed the trip budget, we will get this error. And the same can be used in our personal day-to-day life to control budget and expenses. Now in Dunder Mifflin universe, with the message popping out of the screen regarding the over budget, Oscar will go and see Michael and will let him know that wall clock, which costs $70, is exceeding budget by $40 and that expense will not be covered by corporate. Michael suggests and concludes to Oscar that since he brought the clock for office, the extra $40 should be deducted from every employee salary for the next month in equal share. Though Oscar is not convinced by Michael's suggestion, he agrees to do the same since he is his boss. So that's it in today's session. If you find this session interesting and knowledgeable, then like this video, subscribe to our channel, and if you have any query, then write the same in comment section below. Thanks for watching.